Everyone wants top results, but very few want top effort. Studying 10 hours is not about being a topper, it's about becoming one. If you're waiting for motivation, this video is not for you. But if you want discipline, listen till the end. Toppers feel lazy. Toppers feel tired. Toppers feel like giving up. The difference is simple. They don't stop when it gets hard. They stop only when the work is done. You don't need a high IQ. You don't need expensive coaching. You need consistency every single day. Toppers don't ask, "Do I feel like studying today?" They ask, "What must be done today?" They choose long-term success over short-term comfort. No phone, no excuses, no distractions. While others scroll, they build their future. Morning, 2 hours, fresh mind, hard subjects, new concepts, deep focus. Afternoon, 3 hours, reading plus notes, understanding, not memorizing. Short breaks, 5 to 10 minutes. Evening, 2 hours, revision, previous mistakes, weak topics. Night, 3 hours, practice questions, mock tests, writing answers. No multitasking. One subject, one goal. 1. Phone stays in another room. 2. Study with timer, Pomodoro or 50 to 10. 3. No social media till goals are done. 4. Sleep is fixed. 5. Progress is tracked daily. Discipline first, motivation later. Your parents don't say it, but they worry about your future. They wake up early, they sleep late. Not for themselves, but for you. Study hard today so they don't have to struggle tomorrow. 1 year of sacrifice can change your entire life. 10 hours of study today means freedom tomorrow. Be tired now, not regretful later. No one will come to save you. You must save yourself. Close this video. Open your book. Your future is watching. Ordinary students wait for motivation. Toppers build discipline. Now choose comfort or success.